Hello friends, today an advanced one running on 64-bit Windows platform. Video encoder and decoder application. Hybrid software not working. I will explain the solution to the problem of not opening in a simple way. When we come to run the application, requires administrator permissions or run as administrator, and it turns off when we press it completely. When we right-click and run as administrator, gives the same problem again. There is a simple man to solve this problem. Let's get to the solution now. We click right on the table, we say new. We create a text document inside a text document. First we open one brace and we write general. We close the brace. We're going down. Run as. Write admin commands as I wrote friends. We write equal true. And we click on the file, then save as. MISC file name. We write as.ini in the extension. We select the record type all files. We choose where to save. We choose as NC with encoding unit and say save. Waiting for our file to come to the desktop. When it comes to desktop, we can exit the text document. Then we right-click on this file and cut it. We will enter the folder where the application is installed. We right-click on the application. We say open the file location and the misc.ini file we prepared. Paste the program into the folder where it is installed. And we close. Now we can try our app. Yes friends, our application that does not work has started to work. Thank you for watching me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my video. Goodbye.